Can I start my walk right here at in your digs? Well, if you're that cold, why don't you go get in the doghouse? You got warm hay in the doghouse. Both of them. He likes to be out. All right, everybody, we're going to start our walk. It's one of them days. It's like 39 degrees and just windy, just nasty. Don't want to be out in it, but I guess I gotta be because I'm gonna walk. So we're gonna get these laps done, and then I'm gonna put it on there. So let's go. Here we go. Do a little yakking. And yesterday's video, after I uploaded it, realized that a big clip had been omitted. So that thing should have been another 10 minutes longer, but it all worked out. We got it in there. Look at this rock. This is the rock I seen a big rattlesnake sitting on a couple years ago. Yeah, and this whole hillside's full of rocks, as you can see. And we had that fire a few years ago. A lot of them got split from the heat. All right, let's get to this walk. It's actually a little later. It's probably closer to 11 a.m. Oh, it's not going to warm up at all today. It's 39 degrees, which ain't bad. But that's as high as it's getting. And for the next, I guess, 5-6 days, then we're going to get some 60 degrees. And you'll get that, but it'll be windy. There'll be something that has to... Oh, I about lost it. Tripped on this vine. Get out of the way. Yeah, there'll always be something that ruins it. But that's Arkansas, man. I don't feel bad right now. Now I'm thinking of doing a live cooking video right after this. So if you didn't see it or it ain't on there, that probably means I didn't do it. But if I did and you didn't catch it, you might want to go check that out. I already tested my cell phone. It had some pretty good video. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do it. So we'll see. Don't hold me to it. What kind of trouble are you planning on getting into today, Waldo? You've just been a wild man. Yeah, you have. Been a wild man. That boy. I say that about every 20 minutes. That boy. And Wally, he was like that too. Yeah. Yeah, the marker says May 5th, 2020, but I actually lost him in 2021. They screwed up when they made that. He was a big old galoot, terrified of storms. Yep. Had him since he was a baby. That's the hard part of dogs. You know, you can't help but to get attached to them, but you are going to lose them eventually. Yeah, you just have to learn how to deal with it. Millie and little Tilly took off a little bit ago. They headed right through here. Where you at, Millie? They got a secret fort in there, I think, where they go. Who knows? Looks like the sun's trying to peek out, but it ain't. You got to keep yourself occupied in weather like this. It's not like I don't have enough to do. Okay. Yeah, I woke up, I thought it was Sunday. Hell, it's Friday. And I'm thinking, Sunday. All right. Already been to town. Town and back. So I got Libby has to take a pill twice a day, and then there's a pill she takes every 24 hours. So I got her pill, got it stuck in a hot dog, brought it out here, put it in her bowl, and then she got her cable caught on something. So I had to deal with that. And then I look up, and there's Telly eating her hot dog that had the pill in it. Ain't gonna hurt her, but that's a pill she won't get. So I had to go in and get her another one. Tilly got in trouble. But she's not supposed to come over there and get in anybody's bowl. They're like kids, man. You give them a chance, yeah, they're gonna misbehave. Especially that boy over there. Alright, lap one's complete. Let's put some music on. It's getting harder and harder for me to find music that hasn't been played, so I may repeat music. Here we go.
Dressed to the nines when I say done. I don't know or care who has won. I just know I'm tired of you being tired of me. Not just a battle, but an all-out war. I only want us going back to how we were before. But I'm just so tired of you being tired of me. I wonder what went wrong. Just can't get it straight. Somewhere down the line, somewhere we got derailed. Just know I'm tired of you being tired of me. But I'm so tired of you being tired of me. Just know I'm tired of you being tired of me.
All right, we're on the 5th lap. Seen another pregnant puppy dog. These people across the street something else, man. There's gonna be, I know there's at least 3 or 4 females right now that are pregnant over there. And there's already 20 to 30 dogs just in 2 years. And what they're doing, they're starting to pack up, because that's what dogs do. You get so many, they form a pack. And they're starting to chase people, starting to chase other animals. That's not good, and they just don't learn. There's no laws that are gonna do anything about it. So before you even ask, nothing will be done. Nothing will be done. Nothing can be done. It's gonna end up somebody getting bit, and even then, nothing will get done about it. So, you know, you ever think of considering moving here? Yeah, there's no laws like you got in cities. None at all. And I don't care what you say, there's nothing that they're gonna do. You're not gonna change nothing here. You call the sheriff, something's going on out here, they'll tell you to handle it yourself. That's what they do. I think everybody has 15, 20 guns apiece here. Yeah. Right, we are at the end of the 5th lap. I'm gonna go in and get this going. Woo, that was a good 5 laps. Ooh, what do you want? What do you want? Were you having fun? Yeah, you like running around. That keeps you warm, huh? Yeah. You got your little rug there in your hay. Yeah, you do. Are you gonna let me pass? Excuse me, may I pass? Alright guys, if you haven't subscribed, if you'd like to, go ahead. You may like, you may not like, I don't care. Happy trails.